See you next time on The Chase. Goodbye.
Next up on NTV1, it's The Simpsons at 7 p.m. tonight. It's I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here.
Potato.
onyourcall.co.uk, an easy way to call anywhere in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh by dialing 0844 731 0044. So only 4 pence per minute. Don't forget yaar, only 4 pence per minute.
I can be lazy too! Look at me! I'm a worthless employee, just like Homer Simpson! Give me a promotion! Ooh, I eat like a slob, but nobody minds! I'm peeing on the seat! Give me a raise! Now I'm returning to work without washing my hands. But it doesn't matter because I'm Homer Simpson! I don't need to do my work, because someone else will do it for me. Do.
Hey, you okay, Grimy?
I'm better than okay. I'm Homer Simpson.
You wish.
Oh, hi, Mr. Burns. I'm the worst worker in the world. Time to go home to my mansion and eat my lobster. What's this? Extremely high voltage. Well, I don't need safety gloves because I'm Homer Simpson.